April 1st. Yeah, I know what it looks like. But this isn't one of those.
Hey, what's up? You good?
Yeah, we're good. We just been playing with something new, the Project 360. I can recount the speaker in less than 5 seconds. Check this out. You see?
Introducing the new Project 360 from DS18. 300 watts RMS and 600 watts max for the Ferrite motor. Or you can step it up for more power with 350 watts RMS and 700 watts max for the neodymium motor with a 1.75-inch voice coil. The Project 360 Recone fits Neo or Ferrite motors. DS18 Project 360, available now.